Guys, I fucked up. I haven't posted for like 6 days. The stock market's fucking me up. I'm losing money on that. I feel like I'm taking a lot of L's at the moment. I'm not gonna lie. I feel like I'm losing a lot of shit. Even though I've just had a beautiful week back home with my family. The stock market fucked me yesterday. I had a chance to take a lot of money a few weeks ago from the stock market, about a month ago. And I didn't take that money, and I'm really regretting that. I didn't take my profits from the stock market. And I'm so pissed about that because now the market's getting crushed. My crypto trading isn't going so well. My strategies are not as effective as I thought they would be. I'm working on that. I'm trying to turn that shit around. And I've been a little bit unhealthy this week. I've kind of eaten whatever I wanted, and I had a few drinks. And also I've been smoking weed on some evenings, like on quite a few evenings. So I'm going to be completely real with you, completely real and honest. Like I fucking fucked up, on these things over the past, like market not going so well, business not going so well, health a little bit like deteriorating slightly, but not like, I'm not falling to pieces. I can pick it back up again, but I'm just saying I'm in a rut. That's what I'm looking for, okay? I'm in a bad rut. And I'm always honest with my people, my followers and my subscribers. And I need to turn this shit around, bro. I need to turn this shit around. And I'm only telling you this because this is probably what most people feel like. Most people probably feel like they're losing. Most people probably feel like they're not making money, they're broke, they don't have girls, their life is shit, and they're not fit, and they're not eating well, and they're trapped in a bad relationship, and they're having arguments with their family, something, whatever. Or everything's going wrong in people's lives. That fucking sucks. That is not the life that I want to live. And no matter how deep I fall or what happens to me negatively, that might be, I lost money. I didn't sell out my fucking profits. It's still first world problems, by the way. All this shit is first world problems. So I'm going to gain a sense of perspective. There are people that are starving out there. So I'm going to shut the F up because I'm extremely lucky and I have a great life. So that's the first thing you got to say to yourself, right? The first thing you got to say to yourself is have some gratitude. Calm the fuck down. You can turn this around. Stay calm, okay? Be gracious. I still have a good body, a good base to work off. I still have my family. I still have people that I love. I still have good friends. I still have my looks. I still have my height. I still have money in the bank. Calm down. You could turn this around. Is my internal dialogue. I'm saying that to myself this morning, bro. I'm having to put pressure on myself to be like, yo, fix your shit up. Back in the gym. Eat clean. Go fill your fridge up with healthy food. Say no to people. Start being like, no, I'm not hanging out. No, I'm not fucking smoking weed. Just don't hang out with anyone. Ghost out. Fuck it. I'm going to have to ghost up this week. Be a complete ghost. Sit at home. Don't meet up with anyone. Just work on the damn laptop. And if I'm meeting up with people, it has to be productive only. That's the kind of shit I need to do. And I guarantee you in a few days' time, I'm going to be making a new video. And I'm going to be in a much better way. And I'm going to be, things would have improved. Stock market would have picked up. My trading would have improved. I would have found new strategies. I would have hit the gym every day. I would have eaten clean food. The problem, I've got a great family. My social life is amazing right now, girls-wise, and my family. Actually, I pretty much broke up with a girl a few days ago. But fuck it, she had to go anyway. She was annoying and wasn't adding any value to my life, so I had to just get rid of her. I was the one that was adding all the value to her life. Paying for her shit and treating her well and just getting nothing in return. I was like, fuck this is garbage. Get rid of this girl. Find someone who's a tenth of my mother, who is the most amazing woman. Find someone who's half as good as that. Impossible with women these days. Most of them just add zero fucking value to your life. So I got rid of that one, and now I find the next one. But this is how you got to pick it up. This is the internal dialogue, man. I'm just showing you perspective that I fucked up. I'm slipping up in multiple things in life, and I'm angry. I'm fucking pissed. And anger is good because anger helps you recharge and redeem yourself and think, okay, what am I going to do? When you're annoyed and angry, that's when you have to turn it around. My brother yesterday was saying to me oh, why are you angry? Why are you angry? I'm fucking angry because I'm not fucking performing. Don't tell me why I'm angry. Anger's important. It's an important human emotion. Anger's got me to where I am today. You need to be angry. You need to be angry at yourself and your situation. You need to turn it around. Start getting back in the gym, start eating healthy. I need to start taking my fucking supplements all over again. Loads of supplements here that I've got that I need to start taking. I need to start getting into the mind frame. Start working and grinding and not meeting up with people and wasting fucking time and eating shit food. So there you go. That's my rant over. 5 minutes of me ranting because I'm stuck in a negative rut and I'm completely honest with you people, my people, and I will always be fucking honest. And life is real. People will always show you the fake side. Oh yeah, everything's great, everything's great. Yeah, everything is great, sure. But I'm pissed off, and I'm gonna be honest, and I'm gonna tell you that. Because I'm only fucking human. And I've dealt with this my whole life. And so I guess that's what's made me successful. The fact that I think like this, and I think I have to take myself out of this shit situation and back in the good situation. All right? So we're all in this together. You're not alone.